Welcome to the best picks. The best solar security cameras is probably one of the most sought-after security solutions for homes and businesses today, offering a convenient and eco-friendly way to monitor your property without the hassle of tangled wires or constant battery replacements. In this video, we will explore the top features to look for when choosing a solar-powered wireless outdoor security camera, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget, ensuring you get the best protection for your investment. Number 5. SEHMUA Solar Security Camera. Experience superior day and night vision with its 2K Full HD resolution. Enjoy vivid colors, even at night, thanks to the advanced color night vision technology. Remember to activate the spotlight for color night vision. It's completely wireless and solar-powered. Easy to install and use, it provides continuous security surveillance as long as there's sunlight. With 360 degrees coverage, it captures crystal clear videos of a wide area. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof and can withstand various weather conditions. The sensitive PR motion sensor reduces false alarms. Receive real-time alerts and communicate with visitors remotely using the two-way audio. Setup is effortless with a reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. You can choose from 2 convenient storage options for your recordings. What we like. It boasts stunning 2K HD video, even at night. It's completely solar-powered, eliminating charging hassles. If you need comprehensive 360 degrees coverage, this is the perfect choice for your home security needs. What people say. The picture quality is very clear. It works great for motion detection, so I can easily see when packages arrive or spot anything unusual around the house. The night vision is bright and clear, even in total darkness. The solar power works perfectly, so no need to worry about charging the battery. Pictures are crisp and clean. I love the feature where I can turn the camera with my phone and I don't have to get a ladder to change direction of the camera if needed. Setup was easy and is working without issue. Motion detection is at high level and seems to be best for now. Number 4. Solar Security Camera. It's completely wireless and always charged via solar panel or USB. Enjoy 355 degrees coverage with its pan and tilt function, keeping an eye on everything. See crystal clear images day and night. The advanced sensor and powerful LEDs provide stunning color night vision up to 10 meters. It's built to withstand any weather. The strong Wi-Fi antenna ensures a reliable connection, even through walls. Smart PR technology detects motion and sends alerts to your phone. You can also talk to anyone near the camera. Share access with family and friends. Your privacy is protected with encrypted images and secure cloud storage. What we like. This camera provides a massive 355 degrees field of view. It offers exceptional color night vision, capturing details others miss. If you need reliable all-weather protection, this is the camera for you. What people say. Setting it up was very easy, and it connected to my Wi-Fi without problems. The solar panel is really handy because it keeps the battery charged all the time, even when the sun isn't very strong. The video is clear during the day and at night, and I like that it sends me alerts when it detects movement. It's also waterproof, so I don't worry about leaving it outside. The installation was incredibly easy, since it does not require cables thanks to the included solar panel. This detail is a great plus, since the camera is kept charged all the time without the need to recharge it manually. The image quality is impressive, even at night, thanks to its clear and sharp night vision. In addition, the motion detection function is accurate and sends quick notifications to my phone. The camera quality is really clear and precise. Bonus to this camera is it has a built-in speaker. Number 3. Poyasilon Solar Security Camera. Introducing a truly wireless security camera. It's solar-powered, so you'll never need to worry about charging it. Just place it in direct sunlight and it will automatically power on and connect. Experience superior night vision with this camera. Its high-resolution imaging and built-in spotlights ensure clear, colorful images even in low-light conditions, up to 30 feet away. This camera provides comprehensive coverage. It boasts a 355 degrees pan, 90 degrees tilt, and 120 degrees wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots and ensuring complete home security. It uses advanced AI to detect motion. You can customize the monitoring area and choose what triggers alerts, such as people, pets, or vehicles, minimizing false alarms. This camera actively deters intruders. When motion is detected, it will send you an alert, activate a siren, and illuminate its spotlight to scare away unwanted visitors. It's built to withstand the elements. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it can handle rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, providing year-round protection. Your videos are safe and secure. It supports local SD card storage and offers a trial of cloud storage, with all your footage encrypted for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience superior 3MP 2K FHD clarity. It automatically powers on after solar charging. If you want smart, AI-powered motion detection, this camera is for you. What people say. The video quality is crystal clear, even at night, thanks to its excellent night vision. The motion detection is highly accurate and sends timely alerts to my phone. Installation was straightforward, and the weatherproof design holds up well against rain and wind. The solar panel keeps the battery fully charged, even on cloudy days, which is perfect for my off-grid setup. The video quality is crystal clear, both day and night, thanks to the excellent night vision feature. I love the motion detection alerts, they're prompt and accurate without too many false alarms. The wireless setup was super simple, and the solar power means I never have to worry about recharging or replacing batteries. The 355 degrees PTZ feature provides amazing coverage, and the 3MP 2K resolution gives crystal clear video both day and night. Number 2. EUFY SoloCam S340. See everything in stunning 3K resolution. It's like having a super-powered eye on your property, even from 50 feet away. Zoom in 8x for incredible detail. It's always on and always watching, thanks to the included solar panel. Enjoy worry-free security without the hassle of constant charging. This camera covers every angle. With 360 degrees surveillance, you'll have complete peace of mind knowing there are no blind spots. Installation is a breeze. Its compact, wire-free design makes setup quick and simple. You'll be enjoying security in minutes. It's a one-time purchase, no ongoing subscription fees. Enjoy all the features without hidden costs. Keep an eye on multiple areas at once with dual views, or let the AI track any motion it detects. Note that the maximum resolution will be 2K when using these features. What we like. Enjoy incredibly sharp 3K resolution. There are no ongoing monthly fees. If you want complete 360 degrees surveillance without hidden costs, this is a great option. What people say. The solar-powered feature is a huge plus because I don't have to worry about battery life or charging. The video quality is crystal clear, both during the day and at night, and the motion detection is accurate without too many false alerts, with the exception of my Halloween decorations. Installation was simple, and I love that there are no monthly fees. The installation process is via an automated wizard that's activated by your mobile phone's EUFY app, and it's terrific. It walks you through every step of the installation, and I've never had a problem installing a cam. It's a brilliantly designed piece of software that even takes you through updating the camera firmware to the latest version. Number 1. EUFyCam S340 Cam Kit. Experience superior night vision with its Starlight system. It delivers 4K quality and vibrant colors even in low light, far surpassing standard cameras. It accurately identifies familiar faces from strangers using Bionic Mind AI. This goes beyond basic motion detection, providing smarter alerts. Your data is secured with military-grade encryption and local storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes. No cloud subscriptions needed for peace of mind. This camera boasts a solar panel, providing continuous operation with just 2 hours of sunlight. Enjoy longer battery life than traditional cameras. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Customize activity zones for a truly personalized smart home experience. What we like. It captures breathtaking 4K video. It intelligently identifies faces, reducing false alarms. If you value top-tier image quality and expandable local storage, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. They just work. Mine are attached to gutter mounts and have survived a hurricane and a tropical storm. These cameras shoot in great 4K and even work well in the dark. They are motion activated and recorded on my home-based device, which I own. I can access the video directly on my phone and send it over the police if ever needed, which is a huge plus. Easy to add a hard drive, clear video, easy setup, and can distinguish between objects and people. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.